Hi, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today we are going to show you how to activate dark mode on Messenger Lite. It's a step-by-step beginner guide for everyone to follow easily, and if you find this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Now let's get right into it. Here I have my Facebook Lite open, and as you can see, both Facebook Lite and Messenger Lite are already combined. So what you can do is go into the three bars menu on the upper right corner, and on when you scroll down onto the settings, you can actually see that there's a dark mode where you can toggle it on. And when you click on the messenger icon, you can see that both your Messenger Lite and Facebook Lite has now been activated into dark mode. And that's basically how you will be able to turn your Facebook and Messenger Lite into activating the dark mode into the settings. And that's the end of the video. Thank you for watching. Bye!